Okay, hello Eric. Today on the bench is a Williams System 7 MPU and driver board. This particular MPU and driver board goes to a Joust. I have it connected up to a Firepower era vintage display. So let's power it up. And everything powers up normally, and it's cycling between high score to date and the last score. Lamp matrix is working fine, and the only solenoid on is the coin door lockout coil. So let's go into test, and we're now in display test, and we can see all the numbers cycling through correctly. And the next test is sound test. I don't have a soundboard connected to this, but that's part of the solenoids. Now the next test is lamp test, and you can see all the lamps are functioning properly. And the next test is solenoid test. So it's going to go through all 16 regular solenoids plus the 6 special solenoids. And when it gets to the coin door lockout solenoid, that'll turn off. Now we're into the special solenoids. And the special solenoids are also switch controlled, so I can rake the connector with a ground wire, and we can see those turn on also. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So those are all your special solenoids turning on. And the next test is switch test, and it's showing no switches right now, which is correct. So let me get my wire connected to the switch matrix connectors, and I've tested this already and I know that this works, but now I'm gonna touch switch 1. We go to the top because it's easier. Switch 8, 7, 6, and you can see that all these are now working. Also, I have tested every row and every column. This board set is good to go. In the end, it had a failed PIA here and the 40-pin interconnect. Although somebody had replaced it in the past, there was still some alkaline corrosion on there, and the pins were extremely brittle. All 4 of these sockets have been replaced, and I've socketed all 3 of the PIAs just to make it easy for future maintainability. And all the .156 headers all the way around both boards have been replaced because the old ones, they just developed fractured solder joints, and it's a way better way to go. So this board set is good to go, and I'm going to get this back to its owner. Thank you very much.